Hey guys, what is up? If you are looking at this video, it means that you found my Patreon page. And that means a lot to me because without Patreons, we wouldn't have come as far as we would have now. And the big question, of course, for you is, why would I become a Patreon? As you can see behind me, there's a lot of stuff that goes into making these videos. A lot of time, a lot of energy, but especially a lot of gadgets, little things. Stuff that might not necessarily cost a lot of money, but they sure take a lot of time. Let me show you a little project that I'm working on. Behind me you see a pallet and scaffolding material. From that pallet and the scaffolding material I built a photo table. Let me show you how that works, how that actually comes together. That is how I just built a little photo studio. You see these small things, these are the things that matter. These are the things that make this studio great, that make our videos great. And look, there are the lamps. You know, we build all these things just to make sure that you guys get a good video. So if you are willing and if you are able, if you don't have the money, don't spend it on me. But if you can spare it and if you think this is a lot of fun and you get a lot of recipes in return, please go ahead, be a Patreon. It's very much appreciated. It helps us get to the next step. It helps us make better videos. And by the way, all that money that you guys are donating on Patreon, it's not going into my personal pocket. It's just going into our YouTube channel. When you decide to become a patron, you gotta make sure that you connect your Patreon to your Discord account. And if you don't have a Discord account yet, make sure you get one because it's important. If you have a Discord account, that's the way you unlock all the perks. And check out the tiers next to this video. There you can see what you actually get if you are donating a certain amount of money. So I'll see you guys in the next video, right? Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.